Okay, here we have new from First Alert, the SFA2200 projection alarm clock with indoor temperature station. Ooh, it's beautiful. This clock is incredible, actually. It displays time, weekday, indoor temperature, and humidity. Red LED projection with synchronized time. It has a calendar. It stores the history records, maximum and minimum temperature and humidity. Time zone map. It also has a one-day special day reminder feature. It allows you to set a one-time reminder for a specific day of the year, birthday, anniversary, graduation, etc. It's also an alarm clock with a snooze function. Now look, humidity control, temperature, zone, the time. Let me show it to you in the dark. Look at that. This clock is stunning. Let me tip it forward a little bit. The camera gives it no justice. And since we all know that you cannot video the projection on the walls, the projection is actually incredible. You're going to have to take my word for it. Quality by First Alert.